Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market is open and as expected and discussed, the market is open on a slower note and the levels are still very much intact due to less volatility. Market is behaving like a typical Monday market, so nothing surprising. Let's wait and watch for the US session. As I have already discussed in my previous video also, that we have CPI coming up on Thursday, so there's a high chance that market may remain sideways, choppy, sleepy for the next couple of days. So let the US session come, let the volatility come. If we see that market is volatile, market is acting like a US market, then you can expect that okay, we will get plenty of trading opportunities. But on US session also, if you see the same thing, that volatility is missing, then there's a high chance that market will remain like this till Thursday or CPI. But my dear friends, before I proceed, I would like to make an announcement that I will be going to my native place for some official work. As a result, I will not be able to upload videos for the next couple of days. If I get good net connectivity, then obviously I'll try my best to upload videos, but there's a high chance that I will not get time. So if you understand Hindi, then you can subscribe to our Hindi channel, Avianka School of Finance, because my wife is not going and she'll be uploading shorts where she'll be updating you with the trading opportunities on gold, euro, USD. अगर आपको हिंदी आता है then definitely आप subscribe कर सकते हो, आपको regular updates यहाँ पे मिलता रहेगा because I will not be available. Okay, so let's start with the chart of euro USD, and if you're looking for detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday because the levels have not changed and I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. So my dear friends, at first, DXY dollar index, as expected, dollar index took support around 102 level, and right now dollar index is standing at 102.15. In this present situation, there's a good chance that if dollar index shows some selling also, then 101.6050 will be the first support. 101.60 to 101.50 will be the first support, this level, and we have second support around 101.20. In case of extreme selling pressure, 100.50 will be the best support, but I don't think so market will be heading towards 100.50. 101.6050 and 101.20 are standing as mountains for DXY right now. And before a big event like CPI, high chance that market will remain choppy. And in case of the upside, okay, 103.25, 103.25 is still present as the resistance for the market, and there's a good chance that market will remain like this. You can see that after this big fall also, okay, market, the overall structure of DXY is still very much intact and market has somehow maintained the overall structure. Okay, but this time there's a good chance that market may remain sideways. Let's wait and watch. From the US session, we will get to know whether market remains sideways or market continue the structure. Let's wait and watch. Now euro dollar, okay, the trading opportunities that I discussed on Saturday on the chart of euro USD are still very much valid. The resistance around 1.1050, okay, is still there as the minor resistance during the day. If market goes up and struggles around this area, we can look for a quick selling opportunity. Otherwise, the best selling opportunity are around 1.1080, the resistance around this level here, not around 1.1080. actually it's 1.1090 to 1.1100. Around this level, you can see we have FIBO 50% retracement level. Along with that, we also have the 100 moving average. So yes, you can consider that this is the first good resistance on the chart of euro USD if market shows upside. And in case of good buying power, the ultimate resistance for euro dollar is around 1.1150. FIBO 61.8% retracement level. Along with that, you can see we have strong price rejection around this area. So technically we have three resistances on the chart of euro USD, but two resistances are reliable right now. The best one is 1.1150, which is standing at the top. Before that, we have resistance around 1.108090, or you can also say 1.1100. 1100, 1150, the round numbers are psychological support resistances. We have already discussed plenty of times. So this is our second resistance. And if the volatility of the market remains low, we have already discussed plenty of times how volatility plays an important role in any market. Why volatility is important? Because volatility decides whether a level will work or not. So during the European session, if market shows little bit of upside, and you see that market is struggling around 1.1150 area, around this level, there's a good chance that you can look for a quick selling opportunity of at least 15 pips. फटाक से click कर दिया and we can go for some quick selling opportunity around 1.1045, 1.105, 1.1050. Okay, and in case of support, the support level that we discussed on Saturday is still very much present. That is 1.0920, 1.0920 to 1.0905. This is the support on the chart of Euro USD, and in this market situation, good chance that the support will work. Still, confirmation is extremely important. Right now we are analyzing the chart on 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame as confirmation is extremely slow. So you simply need to switch to 1 hour time frame, 15 minutes time frame to see the market reaction around the level. Confirmation is always important, very important. So once you'll see that Euro USD has reached the support level, just simply switch to 1 hour time frame, 15 minutes time frame, and see how the market is reacting. If you see the market is showing price rejection from below, and if you see a bullish engulfing pattern, a hammer pattern, it will give you an additional confirmation that yes, buyers are still present around the support, and you can click on the buy button, but with proper risk management. Okay, and in case this doesn't work because of high selling pressure, that's why confirmation is extremely important. Then you have the next support around 1.0880 and 1.0840. These are the two support levels on the chart of Euro. Two other support levels that that will come into the scene if this level fails. But as I said, volatility is very important. So in this present situation, high chance that at least market will show us a bounce of at least 25 to 30 pips, if not a complete trend reversal from this area. So let's wait and watch. CPI is coming up. CPI is a big event for Forex traders. So let's see how the market reacts for the next couple of days. So all the best. Bye bye. Take care. And please subscribe to the Hindi channel if you understand Hindi and looking for regular updates. Okay, I'll try to bring videos in English channel, but I cannot guarantee right now. Anyways, bye bye. Take care and do not gamble.